This is Garrett Cox, and I was on YouTube, but I've noticed a lot of people have been looking up Arkham Asylum 2, and there's not much info on it. Well, I've got some. If any of you have seen the latest issue of Game Informer here, you can see that Catwoman is on the cover with Batman. And this is because this is the first information on Batman Arkham Asylum 2, Arkham City. As you can see, Batman looks awesome, and there's Catwoman. And then you can see there's Batman holding a goon. And there's also some new criminals. He's hanging from some wires here, flying around. And here's Two-Face, as well as Catwoman here. That's what they're going to look like. And as you can see, there's armored goons. It looks like a snowman, really. Him hanging from a vine. Him beating up some goons. And, best of all, Joker's back. Hope you like that, and hope it give you a little insight onto what it's gonna be like. Have a good day. And that's all I've got for now. Toodles.